friends, we're going to be drawing Donkey Kong. Oh yeah. He is probably one of my most favorite Mario Brothers characters. So I'm just gonna get him laid out a little bit here, making sure I got enough room for everything. His big gorilla. Oh, so cute. Okay, here we go with Donkey Kong. So we're gonna start over here with two little curvy lines like that, and two little lines like so for his nose. And then we're gonna come around, down, and around like so. And then we're gonna draw his big Donkey Kong face, his smile. Oh my gosh, so funny. And then we're gonna put in his eyes. So we got a black pupil here and a circle that's black there. And then we're gonna draw a curvy line coming up like so. And then we're gonna draw a kind of a half circle, like it goes behind. So it's circular, but you don't see all of it. Like that. And then it comes up like that. And then we've got his brow that comes around like that. And then over here we've got a little line. Here's his little monkey ear. And then here's his awesome hair. And it's gonna come back down, but it doesn't go all the way because it runs into his other ear like so. Perfect. Oh, look at that face. That's funny. Let's put a little line there. All right, and then he means business, so he's in his tie. It's a little soft rectangle. There we go. And a little Donkey Kong. There we go. And then we've got his big, strong pectoral muscles. Like that. So they're kind of like C's. And then there we go with his tummy, like so. And then another line coming up like that. Looking good. All right, then from his ear, we have a little line. There's his bicep, or what would that be? His shoulder. There's the next part of his arm. And then it's kind of a little S. And then on this side, we have a line like so. And then a line here for his bicep. And then we have some curvies. Here's his wrist. There's part of his thumb. And his finger comes back and up. Just like that. Nice. And then we're gonna do his belly, his leg, and then underneath here, we've got, let's see, how do I want to do this? I'm gonna come down, curvy, And there's his foot. You don't see a lot of his foot. And then this comes across like so. And then I'll finish the rest of it up here in a minute. So then I'm gonna come back up here, come down, curve, curve, S, curve around, back up, back up. And then we're gonna have the arm coming down. Excuse me, the hand. This one looks a little different than the other side. There we go. And then we have the leg. So the leg on this side is just gonna come down, out, curve around, come down, out, curve around. And there, my friends, is our Art Maniac Donkey Kong. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. And let's color this in black. And we'll get this colored here. Yeah, he's so cute. I love it. Should put some barrels in the back. Or not. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.